The collection of genetic variability, it is the first step in crop improvement, that is the plant breeding. So existing genetic variability present in wild relatives of what it is the crop. It is not cultivated, it is a wild variety. And collection and preservation of wild varieties, that is distant relatives. Species, close relatives, or it is relatives. Relatives of cultivated species, very close relatives. So, collection and preservation of wild varieties, species and relatives of cultivated species is a prerequisite step to exploit naturally occurring variations. The genes present in the population is the first step, the prerequisite step in crop improvement. And the collection of the plants in the form of the seeds or the birds of diverse alleles of all genes of a said crop. What do you call it is? Germplasm collection. If you take tomato, the crop it is having different alleles for different traits, that is high yield in one plant, resistance in another, quality in another, taste in another. So diverse alleles of all genes for said crop is said to be what it is? Germplasm collection.